Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, February March 2026, and we are doing question number 6 that says equation of a circle is this: x square plus y square is equals to 45 over 4. State the center and the radius of the circle. As we know, the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. So whatever is subtracted from your x will be your x coordinate of center. Whatever would be this b, whatever is subtracted from y will be the y coordinate of your center, and radius is r. So let's compare the standard form with this given form of the equation. So we can see, if we rewrite that, we'll see that it is x minus 0 square if anything is not subtracted, so that means it's 0, plus y minus 0 square equals, let's also write this, it is actually whatever is given is actually r square. So this implies that center you have 0 comma 0 and r is root of 45 over 4 because this is r square. So if we simplify that, we will be getting it to be three root 5 over 2, because root 45 simplifies to give 3 root 5. Okay, you can just directly write down this. I showed you the whole procedure for those who have any confusion in this. Okay, now they say the line intersects the circle at points A and B. Find the exact distance. So what are they actually doing is that you have a circle with center as origin, so any line intersects at point A and B, we need to find the distance A and B. So let's see, if it is intersecting, what we can do is we can solve them simultaneously. Okay, and as one is having x square and the other is having x, so we can, the only way we can do this is by substituting. So either make y the subject or x the subject and substitute in the equation of circle. So let's say y is equals to 3 over 2 minus x, substituting it in x square plus y square equals 45 over 4. Simplifying this, a square plus b square minus 2 a b equals 45 over 4. So it becomes 2x square plus 9 over 4 minus 3x equals 45 over 4. 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4 would be 9 over 4 would be 2x squared minus 3x equals 36 over 4. That gives you 9. That means you have equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. We got a quadratic. Let's factorize it. We need 18 upon multiplication, minus 18, and minus 3 on addition. So, or subtraction. So we have 6 and 3, 6x plus 3x. When subtracted will give you minus 3x. When multiplied will give you minus 18. Taking 3x common, 3 common only. This implies either x equals to minus 3 by 2 or x equals 3. Now substituting this in y equation to get y coordinates of the points of intersection as well. So 3 over 2 minus x so we will get y values to be 6 over 2, that is 3, minus 3 over 2. So the two coordinates are when x is minus 3 over 2, y is 3, and when x is 3, y is minus 3 over 2. So we can take any of them to be a or b. Now what do we need to actually find is the exact distance AB. So let's calculate distance AB using distance formula. y2 minus y1 square equals plus x2 minus x1 square. So that is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 3 by 2 square. Let's simplify this. That is actually 81 over 2 under the root. That gives you 9 over root 2, but root 2 in the denominator is not acceptable, so we'll multiply and divide it by root 2 over root 2 so as to rationalize it. So that gives you 9 root 2 over 2. So this is your distance AB. When they said exact, that means you don't need the decimal, you need the root form, the actual working. So here comes, let's suppose this was A and this was point B. So we calculated the distance between them. First we find out where they are intersecting, the line and the circle, and then we calculated what is the distance between them. So it was just a bit simplifying, but nothing difficult in this. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.